This car hasn't moved in 18 years. The engine is seized, the floor pans are gone. And everyone said it was junk, but in 72 hours we proved them all wrong. Here's exactly how we brought it back from the dead, and how you can too. First rule of restoration: don't fall in love too fast. We did a full inspection. Rust here, rust there, and the engine locked up tight. We stripped it down to a bare shell and for hours, every bolt bagged and labeled. This step is free, but it separates the pros from the weekend warriors. This floor pan used to be metal, now it's a snack for raccoons. We cut out all the rot and welded in fresh steel. If you're new to welding, practice on scrap first. Trust me, one bad weld can ruin your whole week. 2 days of welding and grinding, and the structure was solid again. The original motor was beyond saving. Instead of wasting weeks trying to rebuild it, we sourced a used running engine from a local scrapyard for $400. But here's where we almost messed up. We forgot to check one thing: the ground strap. When we connected the battery, wires started getting hot fast. A $10 ground cable almost ruined the whole project. Double check your grounds always. Coolant? Check. Oil? Check. No more wiring issues? Double check. That sound, that's 18 years of sleep ending. From a field to the road, no corporate sponsors. No $1 million shop, just patience, the right steps, and a willingness to learn. If this video helped you, or if you're working on your own project right now, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who actually build stuff. Subscribe if you want to see what we're bringing back next. And comment below, what's the one tool you can't live without in your garage? Build something.